Here our question is solve LPP min z which is equal to 5x1 plus 6x2 subject to constraint 2x1 plus 5x2 greater than or equal to 1500, 3x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 1200, x1 x2 greater than or equal to 0. In this question, first we need to identify whether it is a simplex or Bingham method. So, in order to find that, we need to check whether the constraints having greater than or equal to sign or less than or equal to. Here both are greater than or equal to. So, we can say that this Bingham method. In Bingham method, our objective function can be min z or max z. So, we will write the objective function min z which is equal to 5x1 plus 6x2, then subject to constraints, then 2x1 plus 5x2 minus s1 plus a1 equal to 1500. That means in order to change the greater than or equal to into equal to, we need to add a surplus variable minus s1 and an artificial variable a1. In the next equation, 3x1 plus x2. In order to change this greater than or equal to into equal to, we need to again add a surplus variable minus s2 plus artificial variable a2 which is equal to 1200. x1, x2, s1, s2, a1, a2 greater than or equal to 0. Here we need to write all the variables that we added here should be written here. That is s1, s2, a1, a2 greater than or equal to 0. Again we need to write our objective function, that is min z which is equal to 5x1 plus 6x2 plus, we need to add all the variables that we add here, that is 0s1 plus 0s2 plus, and the coefficient of a1 and a2 is ma1 plus ma2. Min z which is equal to 5x1 plus 6x2 subject to constraint 2x1 plus 5x2 minus s1 plus a1. Here minus s1 is the surplus variable and it is added here plus artificial variance a1, and the second equation minus s2, that is a surplus variable and artificial variance is added here in order to change the greater than or equal to into equal to. Then x1, x2, s1, s2, a1, a2 greater than or equal to 0. Then we add all the variables into the objective function. Now we will construct the table Cj, Cb, Bv, x1, x2, s1, s2. These are the surplus variable s1, s2. Then a1, a2, artificial variable a1, a2. Then RHS. We should write the coefficient of the objective function in the Cj column, Cj row. That is, first one is 5x1. So we should write 5, 6x2, 6x2, 0s1, 0s2, ma1 and ma2. And we need to write the artificial variables here, a1 and a2, because we will give first priority to artificial variables when in the case of Bingham method. If there are no artificial variables, we will put s1 and s2 here. So the coefficient of a1 and a2 is m. Then we need to write the first equation's coefficient here. That is, first equation is 2x1 plus 5x2 minus s1 plus a1 is equal to 1500. So 2x1 plus 5x2, that is plus 5, minus s1, that is minus 1. There is no s2 in the first equation, so we put 0. a1, 1a1 and a2, there is no a2 in the first equation, so we put 0, and RHS is 1500. In the second equation, 3x1 plus x2 minus s2, that means there is no s1 there, so we put 0, minus s2, that is minus 1, and there is no a1 in the second equation, so we put 0 and a2 is 1, and RHS is 1200. After writing the numbers, we need to find the Zj. So, how to find Zj? M into 2 plus M into 3. That is M into 2, 2M plus M into 3, 3M. That is 2M plus 3M. That is 5M. Next one is M into 5 plus M into 1. That is 5M plus 1M. That is 6M. M into minus 1 plus M into 0. That is minus M. M into 0 plus M into minus 1. That is minus M. M into 1 plus M into 0. That is M. M into 0 plus M into M. M into 1. That is M. We don't write the Zj column RHS. And now we need to find the Cj minus Zj. That is 5 minus 5M. We should write it as 5 minus 5M. Then 6 minus 6M. 0 minus minus M. That is 0 minus minus M. That is 0 plus M, which is equal to M. Then 0 minus minus M. That is equal to M. M minus M, 0. M minus M, 0. Here our question is Bingham method. So the Cj minus Zj should be all positive and 0. There are two positive numbers and two zeros, but there are two negative numbers because the M is a large number. 5 minus 5 into, let us assume that M equal to 10. If we put M as 10, then 5 minus 50, we will get minus 45. That is a negative number. Here also 6 minus 60. Then we get minus 54, which is also a negative number. So, there are two negative numbers here and four positive numbers. So, we need to again do the matrix. For that, we need to find the key element. In order to find the key element, we need to first find the key column. The key column should be the highest M number. That is, the coefficient of M should be greater. That is 6M. This should be taken as the key column. Here 5 minus 5M, 6 minus 6M. Here it is the greatest number is 6 minus 6M. So we should take the 6 minus 6M as the column. And then we need to find the row. So we should find the ratio. In order to find the ratio, 1500 divided by 5, which is equal to 300. 1200 divided by 1, which is equal to 1200. Here we get the ratio 300 and 1200. So the least number should be taken as the key row. That is 300. And the intersecting number should be 5. And it is the key element. So we should make 5 as 1 and the 1 as 0. That means the key element should always be 1 and the number above and below should be 0. So in this case 5 should make us 1 and 1 should make us 0. So we should form the matrix 2, 5, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 1500, 3, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 1200. Sorry, there is a mistake that in the Cj minus Zj, we will take the least number as the key column. That is minus 54 as the key column and least number as the key row. That is 300. Then we will get the key element as 5. Then we need to do the matrix. In order to change the 5 to 1, we need to do the matrix operation, that is R1 implies R1 divided by 5. That is the whole row should be divided by 5. That is 2 by 5. 5 by 5 is 1. Minus 1 by 5. 0 by 5 is 0. 1 by 5. 0 by 5 is 0. 1500 divided by 5 is 300. R2 should be written as 310 minus 1 0 1 1200. Then R2 should be changed to 0. In order to change the 1 to 0, we should do the matrix operation, that is R2 implies R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1. The first one is 3 minus 2 by 5, that is 13 by 5. Second one is 1 minus 1, 0. Third one is 0 minus 1 by 5, that is 0 plus 1 by 5, that is 1 by 5. Then minus 1 minus 0, that is minus 1. 0 minus 1 by 5, that is minus 1 by 5. 1 minus 0, that is 1. 1200 minus 300, that is 900. Then we again need to draw the Cj column table, that is Cj, Bv, Cb, x1, x2, s1, s2, a1, a2, RHS. The objective function will not change. So 5, 6, 0, 0, m, m. Then here there is a change that the 5 is in the A1 row. So the A1 and m should be replaced with x2 and 6. So in the place of A1 we should write x2, and here m we will change it as 6. x2 6. m(a2) is written as same, m(a2). Then we will write the matrix here, that is 2 by 5, 1, minus 1 by 5, 0, 1 by 5, 0, 300. 13 by 5, 0, 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1, 900. Then we need to find the Zj and Cj minus Zj. So first we need to find the Zj. Zj first, 6 into 2 by 5 plus m into 13 by 5, that is 6 into 2 by 5 plus m into 13 by 5, that is 12 by 5 plus 13m by 5, that is 12 plus 13m divided by 5. The denominator is same, so we can write as 1. Next one is 6 into 1 plus m into 0, that is 6. Next is 6 into minus 1 by 5 plus m into 1 by 5, that is minus 6 by 5 plus m by 5. Or we can written as minus 6 plus m divided by 5. Then next one is 6 into 0 plus m into minus 1, that is minus m. Next one is 6 into 1 by 5 plus m into minus 1 by 5, that is 6 by 5 minus m by 5. Next is 6 into 0 plus m into 1, that is m. Then we need to find the Cj minus Zj, that is 5 minus 12 plus 13m by 5. Here we are going to find the Cj minus Zj, that is 5 minus 12 plus 13m by 5, that is we need to cross multiply. 5 into 5, 25, minus, we need to enter the minus into the bracket, that is minus into 12, minus 12, minus plus, then we will change minus 13m divided by 5. 25 minus 12 is 13, minus 13m divided by 5. So here 13 minus 13m by 5. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 0 minus 6 by 5 minus 6 by 5 plus m by 5. We need to enter the minus into the bracket, that is minus into minus plus 6 by 5 minus m by 5. That is 6 minus m by 5. Then 0 minus minus m. 0 minus minus m, which is equal to plus m. Next one is m minus 6 minus m by 5. We again need to cross multiply, that is 5m minus, we need to enter the minus into the bracket, minus 6 plus m divided by 5, that is 5m plus m, 6m minus 6 by 5, then m minus m, which is equal to 0. Our Cj minus Zj column row should be all positive and 0. Here we get two zeros, one positive number. This is also a positive number, that is 6m minus 6. That is 60 minus 6. So we will get a positive number. But these two are negative numbers. So we need to find the least negative, that is minus 13m and minus 1. That is, here it is the 13 minus 13m is the least negative number. So we will take this as the key column. In order to find the key row, we need to find the ratio. Ratio is 300 divided by 2 by 5. 300 divided by 2 by 5. That is 300 into 5 by 2. We need to multiply it with the reciprocal. That is 300 into 5 by 2, which is equal to 750. Next, we need to do the 900 divided by 13 by 5. Again 900 into 5 by 13, which is equal to 346. Here we should take the least number as the key row, that is 346. It is the key row and our key element is 13 by 5. In this case, we need to make the 13 by 5 as 1 and 2 by 5 as 0. Here our matrix is 2 by 5, 1, minus 1 by 5, 0, 1 by 5, 0, 300, 13 by 5, 0, 1 by 5, minus 1, minus 1 by 5, 1, 900. So first we need to change this 13 by 5 as 1. So R2 implies R2 into 5 by 13. That is 13 by 5 into 5 by 13. Then we will get 1. 5 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 5, 0, 1 by 5, 0, 300. 13 by 5 into 5 by 13, that is 1. Second one is 0 into 5 by 13, which is equal to 0. 1 by 5 into 5 by 13. 1 by 5 into 5 by 13, which is equal to 1 by 13. Next is minus 1 into 5 by 13, that is minus 5 by 13. Next one is minus 1 by 5 into 5 by 13, which is equal to minus 1 by 13. Next one is 1 into 5 by 13, which is equal to 5 by 13. 900 into 5 by 13, that is 4500 by 13. So we get the 13 by 5 as 1. Then we need to change the 2 by 5 to 0. So R1 implies R1 minus 2 by 5 R2. That is 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 into 1, which is equal to 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5, that is equal to 0. First one is 0. 1 minus 2 by 5 into 0, which is equal to 1. Next one is minus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5 into 1 by 13, which is equal to minus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 65. Then we need to do the cross multiplication. Minus 65 minus 10 divided by 65 into 5. 325. That is minus 75 by 325. We need to cut it with 5. 65, 15. Again we need to cut it with the 5. That is 5 into 3, 15. 13. That is minus 3 by 13. Next is 0 minus 2 by 5 into minus 5 by 13. That is 0 minus 2 by 5 into minus 5 by 13. We can cut it 5 and 5. That is plus 2 by 13. Minus into minus plus. That is plus 2 by 13. Then 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 13, which is equal to 1 by 5 minus into minus, that is plus 2 by 30 into 5, that is 65. Then we need to do the cross multiplication. 1 into 65, 65 plus 5 into 2, 10 divided by 65 into 5, that is 325. That is 75 divided by 325. Then we will get 3 by 13. 3 by 13. Then 0 minus 2 by 5 into 5 by 13. That is minus 2 by 13. Next is 300 minus 2 by 5 into 4500 divided by 13. That is 300 minus 2 by 5 into 4500 divided by 13. That is, we can cut 5 and 4500, then we get 900. That is 300 minus 900 into 2, 1800 divided by 13. Then we need to do cross multiplication. That is 13 into 300 into 13, that is 3900 minus 1800 divided by 13, which is equal to 2100 divided by 13. 2100 divided by 13. 1 0. R2 has no change. 1 by 3 minus 5 by 13 minus 1 by 13, 5 by 13, 4500 divided by 13. Again we need to construct the table, that is Cj, Cb, Bv, x1, x2, s1, s2, a1, a2, RHS. The objective function has no change, so 5, 6, 0, 0, m, m. And here there is a change, that is here our key element is 13 by 5, that is in the A2 row. So A2 and 5 is replaced with x1 and 5. 6x2, then 5x1. That is, in the place of A2 and m, we should write x1 and 5. Then we should put our matrix here. 0, 1, minus 3 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, minus 2 by 13, 2100 by 13, 1, 0, 1 by 13, minus 5 by 13, minus 1 by 13, 5 by 13, 4500 divided by 13. Then we need to find the Zj. 6 into 0 plus 5 into 1, that is 5. Then 6 into 1 plus 5 into 0, that is 6. Then 6 into minus 3 by 13. 6 into minus 3 by 13 plus 5 into 1 by 13. That is minus 18 by 13 plus 5 by 13, which is equal to minus 13 divided by 13, which is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. Then next is 6 into 2 by 13 plus 6 into 2 by 13 plus 5 into minus 5 by 13, that is 12 by 13 minus 25 by 13, which is equal to minus 13 by 13 minus 1. Then 6 into 3 by 13 plus 6 into 3 by 13 plus 5 into minus 1 by 13. 18 by 13 minus 5 by 13. 13 by 13, which is equal to 1. Then 6 into minus 2 by 13 plus 5 into 5 by 13, which is equal to 1. Then we need to find the Cj minus Zj. That is 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 0 minus minus 1, which is equal to 0 plus 1. That is 1. 0 minus minus 1, that is 1. M minus 1. M minus 1. Here we get 2 zeros and all positive number, 4 positive numbers. So we can conclude here, we will get x1 as 4500 divided by 13 and x2 as 2100 divided by 13. Then we need to put this x1 and x2 in the objective function min z, which is equal to 5x1 plus 6x2, that is 5 into 4500 divided by 13 plus 6 into 2100 divided by 13. 5 into 4500 is equal to 22,500 divided by 13 plus 6 into 2100 is equal to 12,600 divided by 13, which is equal to 3500 divided by 13, which is equal to 2700.